For me, I've always been raised on the water, so that connection has always been there. If you have a similar experience and you have a love for sea country, that could be swimming, fishing, I think you'd enjoy this course. It's really enlightening, really informative, it's fun. Yeah, you get to do scuba diving, that's a massive plus, but you learn so much, and yeah, if you have a love for it, you'll love this course.
The Certificate 2 in Marine Habitat Conservation and Restoration program has been aimed at an Indigenous cohort this past year and has gotten funding from NIAA, the National Indigenous Australians Agency. And the students who've just completed the course have just finished their full year and gotten their certificates, which is really, really exciting. I'm very proud of them. We've had a big year.
It was awesome being able to do it on my country, being close to home. Yeah, passionate about taking care of it, and hopefully my future generations can enjoy what I've enjoyed growing up. Yeah.
They get to learn so many different things about the marine environment, about regenerating sea country, about healing sea country, and we're moving on to the next phase of the project.
The corals have been real fun, you know, they're really good for our environment, and I really want to see them pop back up.
Definitely one of the best opportunities that I've experienced.
This has been such an amazing experience, so different from any other type of class I've ever taught and been involved with, and I feel like coming out to country and being with the students, we've just developed such a close bond, being on island and just spending time walking around, being here on country. It's been amazing. And being on Stradbroke Island, on Minjirriba, and being with the Quandamooka people and learning about their connection to the earth, putting our bare feet on the earth and walking around through mangroves, exploring the seagrass areas, and really talking about how everything interconnects and how we as humans have to learn a balance between being with nature and helping nature thrive while we can still move forward safely and healthily.
At this point, we really want to support the students who graduated onto the next phase of the project. So I'm very excited to help them in the next phase, which is really supporting them to lead in regeneration of sea country. So 3 of the students were actually nominated in the top 5 for the Indigenous Student of the Year in Queensland, and 2 of them have made it into the top 3. So we'll know at the end of July, but that's an amazing accomplishment for these students. They haven't studied marine ecosystems before, and we've just had some outstanding students excelling at this course and really connecting with the true purpose of, you know, why we're here, why we need to regenerate sea country, but also from their cultural perspective of how, you know, over those thousands of years they were taking care of sea country and it was part of the culture. So, you know, from our perspective, from a Western perspective, it's about bridging and helping connect so that these students can be the future leaders of the regeneration, the healing of sea country. Everyone on this planet needs healthy oceans.